is that? Boom! That right there, the bread and butter. These things turned out amazing. They look amazing. Look at these. They look brand freaking new, man. Brand new. Brand new. These are the front calipers, brand new pads, new hardware. One thing we're using is those 2 bolts right there. It's the right hand side. Heck yeah, that is so cool looking. This is one of the back rotors right here. That's what they look like. They're coated. Have to break those babies in right there. Got some brake pads right here. Got the rear hardware for the back of the car here. Got those. And brake lines for the front. That's the left-hand caliper there, already put together, ready to go. Getting the brakes done on the Volvo today, and I have already done the back ones over here. And I'm not sure what footage I have and don't have right now because I've got issues with, I was having some issues trying to copy footage from my iPhone to my computer. So I think I lost all the footage for the rear stuff. I think. I haven't verified that yet, but I think I did. But that's what the back looks like. Got the new Polestar Gold painted calipers, all new hardware, all new pads, all new rotors. So that's the back. That's what it looks like. Got the new front ones right here. Got to put them on. Just got this kind of coated with paint. So I got the hub assembly. This is all cleaned up. And what I've been doing is I've been painting this. I just spray it down with a coat of paint. Just spray paint. It's just Rust-Oleum stuff. Nothing crazy. Just trying to keep this from rusting again. And then as I get black paint on the threads, I'll take a paper towel and just wipe all these threads off right here the best I can. And it leaves just enough, I think, that it may prevent corrosion and such. So nothing perfect. Obviously you can see like a little run right here, but I don't care. In a couple 100 miles, you won't even be able to see that. So, but it looks really good. I gotta swap out this brake line right here with those brake lines right there, and then put the new rotor on here, the new caliper, and we'll see what it looks like. So let's do that now. A little bit of lacquer thinner, spray it down a little bit. Okay, this one's clean. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, let's put this on there. Put one of these on. Okay, so now I've got this side loose, so you just take this nut loose on the bottom side. You don't worry about the top side, just take the bottom side loose. This side's the caliper side. So we're gonna, then we just snap this out right here. It just snaps out. You just take it loose, that's all it does. And so that's the brake hose for the front. These are the newer ones from the 100,000 mile Volvo, because those come off the 200,000 mile Volvo. Both of these look identical, so I'm just gonna look which way. This one crooks to the left, so it's gonna be this one. Newly painted caliper here with all the hardware and everything installed. I just need to disassemble it real quick. We need some blue Loctite. We're gonna put a little brake grease on the guides here. Try to get the extra goop off. Got to go buy a special 9mm just for this. This bleeder screw right here is 9mm, which is crazy. I don't know why they did a different one. grease on these two guides right here on the inside. Like a little bit right here, a little bit right here. Okay. Slide the caliper on. So first thing I'm gonna do is put a little light coating of grease on here. Again, what I like to use on these is a T45. You can see it's got the security bit in there. That's kind of what I like to use. So you may use something different, but that's just what I like. Obviously, you use whatever you think is the right thing to use, but this baby don't slip. Pin lined up in the hole here. There we go. There we go that time. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Get on there good. We'll put our caps on. Back side of these little boots right here. So one there. One down here. Now we'll clip our brake line in here where it goes. Okay, now I just got to reconnect the line itself. Make sure that lines up where it's just supposed to go. I think this fits a certain way. I want to say. If it's so it technically won't rotate, yeah, just run it in. There we go. Whoa. Now, last thing is to get this hardware piece put on here. Usually clip the top one in the hole first, like so. Hopefully without scratching my paint. My new paint job here. Then clip the bottom one in, or kind of got to do it kind of at the same time here. There we go. There we go. So now that's on there. Both of those are in. Good. So that should be all for the driver's side. That looks freaking great. I love it. It's so clean and fresh and new looking. I mean, it literally looks freaking brand new at this point. This whole thing looks brand new. It matches the back. I mean, that right there is freaking awesome. Beautiful. Yep. Dirt tracker's getting down tonight. Dirt trackers. NASCAR on dirt. looking good. This is awesome. This right here, freaking awesome. Check it out. Woo! That looks good. I like it. Get it on the ground and get these things bled. So that way I can stop better.